Good morning guys! Linggo! May lakad na naman kami. Punta kami christening. Tapos birthday after that. Inisa na nila yung binyag at saka birthday. So, pupunta kami sa church first. Aaten ng binyag. Tapos, afternoon, punta sa restaurant ata to. Or, basta, punta kami dun. Yeah, restaurante. That's Amore Restaurante. Kaibigan to na Dan. Kaibigan, pinsan. So, Italiano. Okay, kain tayo ng breakfast. Prepare ni Dan yung ating breakfast. So, ito yung sandwich tins. Tapos, ilagyan niya ng avocado, butter, and then my egg. That's mine, babe. And then, coffee. Yan, kain tayo, guys. Kain. Ito yung top ko, pero wala pa akong pambaba. So, may na. Okay guys, magme-makeup na tayo. Nagbihis na naman ako. Kasi hindi ko bet yung suot ko kanina nung nagsuot na ako ng skirt. Anyway, makeup muna ako guys. Oh no, i-blow dry ko muna yung buhok ko. Tapos magme-makeup ako. Tapos isi-straight ko yung buhok ko. Let's do this! Yun lang, wala pang 1 minute. Tapos na guys. Bilis lang mag-dry. Okay, makeup na tayo, guys. Get ready with me. Alright, so gagamitin ko na primer is yung pangmalakasan kong primer. Yung Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Ito. Mga gagamitin natin ng mga makeup today is yung mga pangmalakasang makeup natin. Yeah. Is your mom coming? Sorry? Is your mom coming? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Buti na lang itong kulay na kuko ko yung pinaano ko kahapon. Kasi matchy-matchy siya sa aking outfit. I was gonna wear like a nude, skirt. Kaya lang I went for the black. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung ko guys, outfit ko. Now, pangmalakasan na foundation. So, Estee Lauder na double wear. I am in the shade 4-in-1 Shell Beige. Anong oras na? Oh, shit. Guys, 30 minutes na lang. Bilis naman. Alis kami mga 11:10 and it's now 10:30. Wait, idamp ko muna to sandali. Nakakainis talaga itong walang pump. Kapag nagmamadali ka, it's not helping. Gustong-gusto ko tong foundation na to guys. Grabe. Pangmalakasan ko to ng foundation. Ang ganda ng finish nito sa akin eh. Hello, uy, tapos isa-straight ko pa yung buhok ko. Maglalagay pa ba ako ng concealer? Hindi na ako konti-konti. Konting-konting lang. Bigay ako ng ito, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Shade ko, guys, is medium. As in, sobrang konti lang dyan. Yan. Ayan. Tapos, powder, guys. Yung pangmalakasan ko din na powder. Becca na Soft Light Blurring Powder. Shade niya is Golden R. Hey, you know what? You have that dressy shoes from Landmark, from Philippines? You haven't used it yet. You should use that.
What color are they?
Gray? Remember that dressy shoe?
Not really.
Do you want me to get it?
If you want.
Okay. What color is your top?
Do you want my pop power top and my shorts?
Port Power top? Power na naman. Buang niloko ako, guys. Ganyan si Dan, mapanloko. Yung susuotin niya polo shirt. Port Power na top. Buang talaga tong. Okay. Okay, ayusin ko muna tong brows ko guys ha. Kailangan ko lumapit sa salamin. So, mayan. Ayan guys, nakalimutan ko na tuloy kayo. Naglagay na ako ng mascara. Tsaka eyebrows. Yung sa brows ko, yung make brow pa din. Yung lagi kong ginagamit. And now, I'm applying highlight. Yung Becca na highlighter. Blush ko, ito. Sobrang daming nagtanong sa Instagram ko, guys. Kasi nag-post ako nung boomerang ko. Nung paano ko kahapon, pa-makeup ko kahapon. And ito yung nasa blush ko, guys. The Hourglass Ambient Diffused Heat yung shade niya. Kinapalan ko ng konti yung kahapon eh. And gustong-gusto nyo siya, guys, sa Instagram. Sobrang thank you sa mga nag-comment. Ganito ko lang siya. And then, naglagay ako ng slide sa ilong ko. Ganyan. Tsaka yung lighting dito, guys. Kasi hindi ko inopen yung blinds. Pero malalaman natin mamaya ang katotohanan. Okay, so, ganyan na siya. And then, isa-set ko siya ng MAC Fix Plus. Tama na ba? Wala na ba ako nakalimutan? And then, isa-straight ko yung buhok ko. Na-straight ko na yung buhok ko, guys. Ipapa-remove ko lang kay Dan yung strap ng bra ko kasi.
Remember the tags as well from your skirt or not yet?
Yeah, please. May tag pa pala yung skirt ko din. Thank you. Ayan guys, tapos na tayo. Yung sa lipstick ko, gagamitin ko yung Stila Stay All Day. Pero maya na, prepare natin yung bag ko guys. I will be wearing yung Rebecca Minkoff ko na parang wallet on chain na bag. Guys, tapos na ako. Ito na yung outfit ko. So, nilagay ko lang yung lipstick ko guys. Yung pangmalakasan nating lipstick. Stila Stay All Day Firenze. Now, I'm wearing this. So, itong top na to I got from... Where's it from there? Okay, so this top is from Tem.
We're gonna cut your tags off the skirt still.
Yeah, still have the tag. And this skirt is from Ali. Nabili namin sa Harbor Town kasama si Nakap. And then my shoes is from Muy Bien Bonita, guys. Yan. And then my bag is from Rebecca Minkoff. Yan. Maganda siya, guys. Maliit lang siya. Ang cute niya, oh. Yan. So that's my outfit. Oh, accessories. Just the necklace that Dan gave me. Bracelet that Dan gave me. That's it. Walang earrings, wala. Ring, yun lang.
Wonder where those star rings I got you.
Sorry?
Those star earrings.
They're gold.
The gold?
I have
Ah, okay.
silver now, yeah.
Ah.
Babe. Alright, thank you. That's it. Ayan guys, we're on our way. Siguro mga 10 minutes away lang siya. So, malapit lang. And ipakita ko sa inyo guys, yung mga laman ng bag ko. So, ang liit lang niya, diba? Parang lang siyang wallet na malaki. Parang wallet on chain. Kasi meron siyang strap. Pero ganito siya guys, maliit lang siya. And, makakasya yung phone ko. So, yung laman ng bag ko, sobrang konti lang. Yung essentials mo lang, yung kailangan mo lang. So, phone. And then, nagkasya din yung hand cream at saka tissue. And then, hindi na ako nagdala ng wallet kasi yung wallet ko medyo malaki. Pero I brought the lipstick. And then, meron akong dyan. Meron kasi siyang card slot. So, nalagay ko yung nalagay ko yung bank card ko at saka yung driver's license at saka pera. Tapos meron siyang zippered compartment dito. Laman guys is yung aking mga pambabae na mga So, meron akong tampon dito at saka what do you call that? Panty liner. Tapos sa likod, meron din siyang pocket guys. Oh, ang cute niya. Tamang-tama lang siya sa mga ganitong mga pa-event natin, babe. Okay. Hindi ko to nakita nung in-unbox ko tong bag na to. Meron siyang dito guys. O, naka-attach siya dito yung strap. So, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Bongga. Okay. Anyway, I like it. Do you like my bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Ooh, nice car. Porsche, babe. Yeah, pwede din siyang crossbody, pero ko siya ngayon, shoulder bag ko siya kasi nice siya tingnan. So yung darating is your dad coming?
Yeah, the whole family's coming.
And then your mom as well? Okay. Yeah, pinsan niya to eh. Yung close niya na pinsan. Marami kasi siyang pinsan. Sa side ng mama niya, hindi masyadong close. So hindi kami umaattend masyado. Pero kapag sa side ng papa niya, close sila. Like, nung wedding nila, in-invite kami. So, yeah. Hindi lang sila, close kami. Hindi pala kami close, masyado sila, close sila. Makikisali talaga ako. Kapag nag-baby na kami guys, magpapabinyag kami sa Pilipinas. Babe, we will have our christening in the Philippines. Yes. Wala pa nga baby, nagplano na ng binyag. Ayaw kasi ni Dan dito. Gusto niya sa Pilipinas para mas ma-experience niya talaga yung yung binyag talaga. Diba kasi dito guys, konti lang yung ninang. Siguro isa lang yung malilista mo. Depende sa church. I know kay Kati ko, sobrang konti lang eh. Kasi limited yung mga ninang-ninong. Sa Pilipinas, diba unlimited? Kahit sino lista-lista pa more. Pero maganda din yung idea na na binyag. Tapos 1 year anniversary. First birthday. Pero sa Pilipinas, diba? Like as soon as possible, binyag agad. So hindi umaabot ng 1 year. Hindi ko din alam eh. Hindi ko din talaga alam ko nung mangyayari. Matagal pa din naman yun guys. Diyos ko. Kung ano-ano lang pinag-iisip ko. Babe, are you ready, babe? For the baby? For the baby! Someone commented on the video. The title of one of my videos is like something about baby anyway. They said it's so obvious that Dan doesn't want to have a baby yet. Ayaw mo daw, babe. Uy, ready na yan, guys. Tagal na yung ready.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto Gorge Road.
Ayan, may mga kailangan lang talagang gawin muna. Kaya, kakakasal lang namin, guys. Diyos ko, naka 1 year
In
lang
500
namin.
meters.
Oh, this is a nice area, babe.
Yeah, this is alright around here.
Is it
Turn
expensive
right onto
here?
Manresa Court, then turn right.
Okay. Like how much?
It's in our budget.
In our budget. I hope I'm not overdressed.
Arrived.
Okay, nandito na kami, guys. So, maya na ulit tayo mag-usap, guys. Char. Oh, no, I'm not overdressed. I'm good. Guys, tapos na kami, guys, sa church. Chapel siya. Actually, hindi siya church. Diyan, oh. Yan. Diyan. Maliit lang siya, guys. Nasa loob siya ng college, actually. So, this is a school, babe? Yeah.
It's a school.
Yeah. So, napunta na kami sa restaurant kung saan yung first birthday na venue. Nakasunod kami sa papa ni Dan, guys. Nakakatuwa yung papa niya kasi nag-usap kami. Ngayon lang kami nagkita ng ngayon lang kami nagkita after nung nag-vlog si Dan, yung pa-surprise niya sa akin sa 200k. Diba nag-shoutout siya doon? Tapos sabi ni Dan, nakita mo ba yung shoutout ko? Sabi niya, oh, nakita niya daw. Your dad, babe? He saw your shoutout? As in, guys, pinapanood niya talaga lahat ng video. As in, lahat. Yung video namin na nagluto kami ng dynamite, nakita niya, natuwa daw siya dun sa ano ni Dan, dapat ganito Easter clockwise para mas masarap daw, ganun. Tsaka yung asawa niya din, nanonood na din, tawang-tawa din daw siya. Sabi niya, hindi ko alam na, nagpapatawa pala dun si Dan niya. Hindi wow, babe. Hindi wow. What?
What?
Eddie wow.
Eddie Wow.
That is a lot of food.
How much more? That's ridiculous. Cool,
Thank you. That must be heavy.
Yeah.
Wow. Dito na kami sa ano, guys, restaurant ng party. Thank you. Dito na yung pangalawang main course. So, the first one was pasta. And then yung pangalawa. Tapos sabi nila 3 course. Pero yan, kami tao. May pa-face painting sila doon. Tapos meron ding balloons para sa mga bata. Doon kami galing kasi si Eli nagpagawa ng Spider-Man. Binabantay namin si Tio. Yun, natutulog. Uy, 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 uy. Alam eh. Meron pa siyang ganyan.
Hip, hip, hip. Well, we're into Kangaroo Island.
Tapos na, guys. It's now 5:08 ng hapon. So we will just drive around here kasi maganda tong area na to. Ito yung isa sa mga area na tinitingnan ni Dan ng mga bahay. So we'll just drive around. The food was fantabulous. It was so good. Dan is so full, he can't breathe.
So fat.
Ano na, babe? It was fun. Yung papa sana niya nakaupo sa kabilang table, tapos pinalapit namin siya sa table namin. And usually, hindi siya umuupo na kasama yung mama na Dan. Pero they were alright. So, yeah. Ang saya, ang saya. We will invite them over. We do not know yet when yet, but, yeah. Oh, your dad will be watching this vlog.
He would.
Shout out.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Kathy as well. She watched this as well. Kathy pangalan ng ano niya, asawa niya. Anyway, we'll just drive around. Indians. Did you have fun, babe?
That was good.
Yeah, it was good. Good food. That's a nice house.
That's a nice one.
That's alright.
That's a nice one.
That's nice. I like that one.
I like
That one I like.
I'll take that one. A good double garage.
Yeah, no, that one's good.
That one there.
Yep, that one's good as well. Yep, that one. See, this area here is alright.
Oh, no, that's good.
And it's safe here, babe.
Yeah, he's safe.
You look guapo, babe.
It's cute. I'm feeling really fat. I'm running to that, babe. That's
You are?
Should have drove into that street. Oh, it's alright. Double garage.
Yeah.
I'm gonna park a caravan there. We just charge her in. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice.
We will charge your mom for her caravan.
What about on? Have a look. See it.
It's alright. It's alright. I saw it.
I think they sold recently the land in here actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is this? A great one?
There's a big plot of land and it sold recently.
Oh.
So it means they built all houses in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah, that's massive. That's absolutely massive.
We're home na, guys. Kapagod. Yung sapatos ni Moy, Ben, bonita, maganda siya, guys. Hindi naman ako sobrang naglalakad-lakad kanina, tsaka hindi naman kami nakatayo, nakaupo. Pero kapag naglakad ako, yung hindi komportable is itong part na to. Pero yung ano niya, haba ng heel niya, tamang-tama lang sa akin. Kakapagod na, guys. Pagod na ako. Nood kami ng Bachelor in Paradise. Tapos si Dan, tingin-tingin ng mga bahay as usual.
Oh, my love.
Okay, babe. Where are we going?
Bedroom.
You going for a run?
Yeah, around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this for? Thank you.
That's how couples walk with each other.
The heck? Thank you, babe.
Hello, Dad.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Daddy.
Hello, Dad.
Look at your son, Daddy.
Maybe a fat son, Dad.
You fat shame yourself as well, babe. You look good. You look good here.
Here? What do you mean here?
No, from the screen. You look really good, actually.
From afar?
You look guapo, babe. Hi, Dad. Tumakbo pa talaga si Dan. Ang lamig sa labas, guys. Nawawa naman yung Danny boy ko, eh. Nakonsensya siya kanina kasi sobrang dami niyang kinain. Anyway, mag-edit ako ng thumbnail, guys. And then, i-close ko na tong vlog na to, guys. That's it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah.